What made you decide to come back, considering that your first fight was controversial, which was held here in the Philippines?
I've come back to prove to Philippine people that that belt was mine.
Aren't you worried or afraid that it will happen again, and considering that you'll be fighting one of the top fighters of the country?
No, I'm not worried. I'm ready for the fight. I'm just waiting on Sunday the fight.
What is your idea about Abe Concepcion, his fighting style, and have you seen him fight in tape before?
No, I haven't seen him fight in any fight. I will learn him in the first round. That is the time when I'll see him fighting.
Not even a tape?
No, I don't have even a tape.
Did someone tell you about his fighting style?
I haven't heard anything about his fight.
How long did you prepare for this fight?
I prepare for 1 month.
How many rounds have I fired?
Let's say like 30 rounds.
Only 30 rounds?
Yeah.
Don't you think your preparation is not that much, very short time and short number of rounds?
Me, I'm ready for the fight. You come and see how I'm ready for the fight.
You're taking a knockout? Prediction?
After first round,
If you can come for after first round to our corner, then ask us from that. It will determine what will happen in the second round. Yeah. After
We
the
can
first
enter
round.
the ring after the first.
No, you can come by the ring side. That's what we mean. Yeah, just ask us by the ring side.
You're the trainer, right?
Yes.
He's telling us that he prepared only for 30 rounds in 1 month. Don't you think that's too short for him, for a world rated like Bernabe?
It's too short. But, we always, that's about preparation. That does not mean that we have been outside the gym. We do train, but to prepare for the fight, that's enough enough time to prepare for the fight. It doesn't mean that we are preparing for the 1 month. It doesn't mean that we have not been inside the gym. No. Since the last fight we had with Balweg, we are still in the gym.
Mukhang yung kalaban mo, kumpiyansa, hindi ka raw napanood considering na dali naman panoorin ng laban mo. Pero, not even one fight, hindi ka raw napanood. Mukhang kumpiyansa tong kalaban mo.
Hindi naman po natin masabi kung talagang hindi niya napanood, diba? Kasi, pag search mo ko sa YouTube, ando na eh. So, pinagandaan ko pa rin po yung laban. Talagang pinagsikapan ko yung pagtitraining, pinagtunan ko ng pansin talaga. So, magiging isang magandang laban po ito.
Pero siya, anong estilo nakita mo sa kanya? Napanood mo rin ba siya?
Sa ngayon po, hindi ko pa siya napanood. So, pero ang sabi nila, kalawete daw po. Tapos may mga nagsasabi sa akin kung anong style niya. So, pag-aaralan po namin.
Gano'ng katagal sa'yo?
Dito po, almost 2 months po. Pero yung last 1 month ko na lang po, talagang training hard na talagang sayo.
Bakit dito mo napanood? Wala bang tinulang dito sa Babaro?
Pinag-usapan po kasi nila ng manager ko si Aljo Haro. So, pumayag naman po. Kaya, yun, pumayag ko sila na lumaban ako dito. Tsaka may title fight naman po. Kaya,
Yung May 2, meron bang promise sa'yo na undercard ka?
sa ngayon po, wala pa akong alam. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga susunod na laban ko. Under negotiation pa po kung ano yung susunod.
Consider sa that fight, medyo nahirapan.
Yung sa last fight, talagang medyo napalaban ako dun sa kalaban ko. So, magaling din siya. So, second round ko lang, magana yung mata ko. Sinamahan ng suntok, tapos nauntog. Hanggang nasugat. So, hanggang lumaki po yung sugat, nagkaalat sa mata ko, yung dugo. So, kaya medyo nahirapan po ako.
Sa timbang din ba?
Sa timbang po, wala namang problema kasi 120 po yung timbang na huling nilabanan namin. Pero, sa conditioning po.
So, dito ngayon, tiyak mo
Yung sa ngayon po, sana po hindi na maulit yung mangyari dati. Sana maging maganda pa rin po yung resulta ng laban ko ngayon.
Hirap naman talaga sa super bantam, sa 120.
Sa 122 po talagang hindi ko na... Siguro makukuha ko yung timbang pero wala na akong tamang kondisyon. Kaya mas gusto ko lang po umakyat ng 120.
Sige mo, World Championship ngayon taon?
Siguro po pag nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon, siguro magiging maganda po ngayong taon na to.
Sinasabi si Alsa, si Laro, si Luwegan.
Yun po yung target nila. So, nag-uusap naman po sila ni Baba Rom, yung co-promoter natin, siyempre po. Saka si Kuya Manny. Kung anong may bigay nila sa aking offer, yun na lang po yung pagtutunan ko ng pansin.
After this one, pwede ka nang sumabak.
Siguro po, pagkatapos ito, kung ano mapag-usapan nila, lalaban na po ako ng World Championship.